Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on adding an assignment to the Mykademy platform. First, let's click Assignment. Give an assignment title and select the section to which the assignment is to be added. You can provide a description about the assignment. The total marks and the submission date should be provided mandatorily. The word limit field is not mandatory. Click Create. Once the assignment is created, provide general instructions on how to complete the assignment. You can add images, tables, and other sections with the help of the features here. You can also add MP3 files, documents, or PowerPoint presentations by using the Upload File option. Other options in the basic settings have a due date on which the assignment is to be submitted. Provide a cutoff date after which the assignment will no longer be available to the learner. You can also click Enable Resubmission if the assignment can be submitted again. You can provide the number of times the assignment can be resubmitted. Let's visit Rule-Based Content Dripping. Select Content Dripping by days and provide the number of days after which the assignment will be available to the learner. If you give 2 days, the assignment will only be available to the learner after 2 days of the subscription date. Click Add Rules if you want to add additional rules like this assignment will only be available after completing the previous lecture. Select a lecture which should be completed before accessing this assignment. Then click Save. This setting will be saved. Thank you for watching this tutorial.